Okay, I got the brush off. Now I have to get this holder off and this piece off on both sides. So it's gonna have a few nuts I gotta get. I just got the top piece off of here so I can get to that one and that nut. And there's two on the opposite side. I'm gonna figure out how to get to those guys, but we're gonna figure it out. This is a prime example of a man buying stuff that he don't need until he needs it. That right there has an Allen wrench, but I got different sizes on it. I need that to unloosen one daggone nut. Thank God that I like to buy tools. Jesus. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been fighting with this Toro Greensmaster 1000 parts mower so I could break even. I've been fighting, trying to figure out how to get this piece off of this daggone mower. Let me switch around. It's in the dark because I've been fighting all freaking day with it. So I'm going to just show you. Okay, see it down there? Use my finger. That's where the pulley is, okay? I could not get that daggone thing off of there. Finally, I went online and I went to YouTube, and the guy said put a torch on it. As soon as I put a torch on it and a 1/2 inch driver, not the driver itself, but and a breaker bar, which is that guy right there. I got it in there and got it off of there. Give me a minute, and I'm gonna put some gloves on and pull that off. Okay. Yes, it's dark because it's taking me all day to do this. But right now, let's see if we can hold on. Hold on just a second. I should be able to pull this whole freaking piece off of here. Oh, it's balancing on there. I don't believe it. I actually got it off of there. Oh my God. That whole piece holds a brush. I actually got it off of there. Oh my Lord and Savior. Because I didn't want to break the reel. I'm going to try to sell that also. You see what I'm saying? And I don't believe it. I don't believe it. I got it off of there. Oh my Lord. Okay, I'm gonna send that with the brush that I'm selling. And boy, you see, I bought that just for the heck of it. I don't know why, but I needed it. This is what I'm talking about. When a man buys stuff, you don't know when you're going to need it till you need it. Unbelievable.